They tell us that artificial intelligence is the future. They tell us that Google, Microsoft, and Apple are leading humanity into a new era of innovation, convenience, and prosperity. But behind the glossy demos and polished press releases, something far more profound is unfolding. A silent, unprecedented AI arms race. This is not about better apps. This is not about smarter chatbots. This is a race for global power, economic dominance, political influence, and control over the systems that shape human society. In 2026, artificial intelligence is no longer a niche research field. It is the backbone of financial markets, military planning, national infrastructure, supply chains, cybersecurity, and the information billions of people consume every single day. Major technology corporations are pouring tens of billions of dollars into AI, research, and infrastructure. Entire nations are crafting strategies to outpace rivals and secure strategic advantage. By 2025, companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet, and Meta had collectively invested more than $320 billion into AI infrastructure, cloud expansion, advanced chip development, and research laboratories. This was not incremental spending. It was a seismic shift in how power and capital flow through the technology world. Some projections suggest global AI investments could approach $700 billion in a single year, number larger than the economies of entire developed nations. This is not competition. It is escalation. Artificial intelligence now powers predictive market engines that influence billions of dollars in milliseconds. It runs automated cyber defense systems that protect critical infrastructure. It optimizes global logistics networks that decide when goods move and when shelves are stocked. But while Google, Microsoft, and Apple dominate headlines, another story is unfolding beneath the surface. A decentralized empire of AI power. This empire does not wear a single logo. It does not hold flashy product launches. It operates through cloud networks, semiconductor supply chains, proprietary data ecosystems, and strategic alliances, spanning governments, venture capital, and private infrastructure. OpenAI secured more than $110 billion in strategic investment from Amazon, Nvidia, and SoftBank. Its valuation pushed toward $730 billion. This was not just funding, it was alignment. Infrastructure giants backing the future of artificial intelligence. Nvidia transformed from a graphics card manufacturer into the backbone of global AI compute power. Its chips drive nearly every major neural network and large language model in operation today. At its peak, Nvidia reached multi-trillion-dollar market valuation. Compute became the most valuable strategic resource of the digital age. Microsoft and Amazon began designing custom silicon, because whoever controls compute at scale controls the ceiling of AI capability. The largest models, the deepest neural architectures, the most advanced reasoning systems, all depend on massive processing power. Beyond hardware, the battleground expands into talent and research. China produces a majority share of global AI patents and continues scaling its technical workforce at remarkable speed. Yet Western narratives still frame the race as Silicon Valley versus itself, creating blind spots that hide international advancements and strategic alliances shaping the future of AI. Nation-states are embedding artificial intelligence into defense simulations and military planning tools. Independent research has shown advanced language models escalating conflict scenarios when left to simulate strategic environments. Algorithmic reasoning without human restraint can amplify extreme outcomes. Autonomous systems already manage logistics networks, energy grids, and algorithmic trading platforms. Recommendation engines shape information flows and influence emotional responses at planetary scale. Despite this acceleration, no single organization holds uncontested supremacy. Not Google, not Microsoft, not Apple, not any individual AI lab. Instead, power is distributed across alliances of corporations, cloud providers, semiconductor manufacturers, research institutions, geopolitical actors, and capital networks. This is the hidden truth. AI power is being built everywhere simultaneously. There is no single headquarters, no single leader, no single flag. The future of influence will belong to systems capable of silently shaping markets, controlling data flows, and automating decisions at planetary scale. Yet innovation is racing ahead of regulation. There is no unified global framework governing how these systems evolve ethically, strategically, or safely. Corporations compete for dominance. Governments pursue strategic leverage. Investors follow the promise of exponential return. Entire industries are restructuring around AI capability. Supply chains are optimized by predictive systems. Economies are adjusted by algorithmic forecasting. Workforces are reshaped by automation-driven efficiency. For every visible AI product, there exists a deeper, invisible layer of infrastructure and data networks, trained on billions of digital interactions. Most people never see it. While attention focuses on product launches and corporate rivalries, the foundational architecture of intelligence is being rewritten. The AI empire is not a distant possibility. It is here. It is expanding. It is evolving across alliances, infrastructure, and strategic intent. And whoever masters this distributed network first will not simply lead in technology. They will shape economic power, geopolitical balance, and the direction of the 21st century. The world believes the giants are in control, but control is shifting toward those who command the unseen architecture of intelligence. And that silent shift may determine who truly controls the future. If you want to understand the systems shaping the world before they shape you, subscribe to the Power Chronicles, because power is never obvious. It is engineered,